All right, welcome back into Good DDC with warmer days ahead and more time outdoors. Well, this means more time in the sun. Too much exposure, though, can lead to serious skin damage. So this morning, we are diving into what you should know regarding your skin care with Peel House Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. So we're so happy to welcome Sorrel and Kelly. Good morning, ladies. So good to have you.
Thank you for having us.
Of course. All right, so let's get into some of what the ladies can do, and guys as well. There's something for everyone here. First and foremost, when we just talk about brightening our skin, tightening it, making it look really good, one great thing to consider is a nice peel. So there's a summer-safe peel option that you guys offer, right?
Yes, it's our summer-safe firming peel, and it uses high-dose trichloroacetic acid, which is an ingredient that we often find in regular chemical peels, but it's formulated in a way that we can use it to do a brightening and a tightening of the skin, glow up, all of that, but without any of the concerns about either peeling, so no downtime.
Wow.
And also you can literally get off the table and go to the beach right after.
See, this is what people like to hear. Now, for those who aren't familiar with chemical peels, how would you describe them and how they feel?
Oh, that's a great question. So chemical peels, folks often are concerned that they're going to hurt, and they don't. Typically, what you'll experience is either like a bit of a tingle, if you will.
Okay.
Sometimes a bit of spiciness for a few minutes, but that even is short-lived, and afterward, you're good to go.
Now, and you said no downtime with that, so even when it comes to just sun exposure, with this type of chemical peel, you're in the clear still?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's completely sun-safe.
Good to know. All right, so let's talk about the body as well and body sculpting. There's a non-surgical way to make some of this happen, so let's talk about that.
Absolutely. So the TruSculpt ID is a fantastic alternative to surgical procedures like liposuction. So one of the things that my patients love about this procedure is the way it's able to specifically target areas of fat that are resistant to our diet and exercise. And even now, those GLP-1 medications like Ozempic and Wegovy, when you're on your fitness journey, you can't always tell where you're going to lose the weight from. And so with the assistance of treatments like the TruSculpt ID, we can precisely target exactly where it is that you want to contour. And we can do areas like the abdomen, we can do the flanks, the underarms, even stubborn areas like the bra fat. I mean, we like to say if you can pinch it, we can cinch it, and we can do it in 15 minutes. It's a really easy, effective, and quick treatment that gets you in and out with no downtime, and so you're going to feel more confident in that summer wardrobe.
Yeah, that's pretty fascinating, and I know when it comes to time, a lot of people just don't have much of it when it comes to these busy schedules. So that's also something really good to know.
Yeah.
Something else you offer, laser treatments, and I know oftentimes when you think of laser treatments to brighten, maybe get rid of some blemishes, you think wintertime is probably the best time to do it, but you tell me that there is something out here that's okay for the summer.
Yeah, there's actually a couple of laser treatments. One is our Clear Lift, which specifically targets pigment. So think melasma, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, and it can get to the deeper layers of the skin. So pigment that's been hard to lift with other treatments, this laser can treat, and there's zero downtime. We also have another incredible treatment called Clear and Brilliant, and that offers a light resurfacing and also can help with texture, with skin tone, and with pigment. And I should say that all of these treatments that we're mentioning are appropriate for all skin types.
Yeah, that's important too. And obviously you want to have a consultation with you guys before any of this happens so that you know what the best treatment is for your non-surgical procedure. Sunscreen, we can't stress this enough.
Not enough.
Can't stress it enough. You have some products with you today, so tell us about it, especially this one that caught my eye. I've never seen a sunscreen with a brush.
Yeah. So these are some of the sunscreens that we offer at Peel House. We recommend sunscreen 365 days a year. If you can see the sun can see you. And so it's important to use sunscreen to protect against sun damage, but also to slow down aging, the aging process. And if there's any pigmentary concerns, then sunscreen is really important when you're trying to treat that. So we love them all. We do not play favorites, but this one we did want to highlight because it offers a brush. So it just twists up like that, and inside is a coverage powder. So this has SPF 40. There are different shades. This is in bronze, so this would be appropriate for someone like yourself or myself. But we do have a range of 6 different colors, so they can go from light skin to dark skin. And you put that cartridge in there, you can stick this in your purse, and then this is great just for reapplication throughout the course of the day.
This is genius, and obviously no residue. If anything, it just enhances the beauty.
Absolutely, and we even have gentlemen who will use use this on their heads if they're bald.
Really?
Yeah, because it will calm down the shininess, but also give them protection up there from the sun.
Oh, that's so smart. I had cornrows one time on vacation, and my scalp burned in the Bahamas. So that is something to think about for the gentleman as well. But like you say, no favorites, but you all have some great products that you offer. So for someone who's watching this, just what advice do you have for them if they are considering just treatments for skin tightening, skin boosting? What should they do?
There are so many options available, and Peel House, we carry a myriad of treatments. We like to customize our treatments to our patients. So our advice is always to come in, make an appointment. Our consultations are complimentary. You get a digital skin analysis whenever you come in to see us the first time, so that we can put together a customized plan for each and every person that walks through the door.
Wonderful.
Because your plan is not going to look like my plan, and it's not going to look like Kelly's plan, right? So we want to make sure that we are targeting your specific needs.
All right, I love it. Well, thank you so much, Sorrel and Kelly. Some really great information. Make sure that you check out Peel House. They're located on Capitol Hill. And here's some of their information on the screen. We'll also have this segment up on fox5dc.com. Thank you so much, ladies. Some great information today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lovely.
All right, Steve.